German pharmaceutical firm Boehringer Ingelheim's Shanghai headquarters has donated 1 million yuan in cash and 6 million yuan worth of medical supplies to Hubei province. The supplies include masks and protective clothing from Germany, as well as 4 million yuan worth of mucosolvan, an anti-pneumonia drug which has been shown to ease some of the symptoms of the coronavirus. It is being used in 13 hospitals in Wuhan.
In order to make sure of a sufficient supply of mucosolvan, the pharma company's factory in Pudong has been working around the clock since February 2nd. Other than a direct help to the individual patients, the company is also teaming up with a research institute to explore possible vaccinations against the virus.
On our corporate side, we're working with the German epidemic institutes to help to find approaches to how to fight COVID-19. Well, from Boehringer Ingelheim, we are not in human vaccination, so not from our side in the direct research, but I know that a lot of companies are doing that, and if we can support these kind of companies or institutions, we're doing so.
AstraZeneca China is looking out for patients who may not have COVID-19, but whose treatment for chronic illnesses has been impacted by the drain on medical staff and facilities created by the virus outbreak in Wuhan. Some kidney dialysis patients, for example, may not for now be able to find the medical staff needed to provide their treatment on time. AstraZeneca is donating kidney medicines to make it possible for them to receive some treatments at home. The first batch of that medicine arrived in Wuhan at the end of last week, and at the same time, the company has been bringing its normal pharmaceutical production back online.
When the first few weeks, certainly there was some degree of slowdown, but we saw in the recent weeks there's really been a pickup. For example, in our manufacturing facilities, the first week, February 3rd, we already had a partial resumption of work, which picked up even more by the week of February 10th. And currently we have our factories working at almost 85% capacity now.
The Shanghai Commerce Commission told a news conference over the weekend that foreign businesses across the city are close to resuming full operations. The commission said 80% of the firms in key industries, such as biopharmaceuticals and integrated circuits, have restarted production. UNICS for CGTN, Shanghai.